In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Ads with your Shopify store. This process is a crucial step for those looking to expand their business's digital marketing efforts and increase their online sales. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be seamlessly connecting your Shopify platform with Google Ads, allowing you to reach a much wider audience. Let's get started with installing the necessary app. Open your Shopify admin panel. This is your main dashboard where you manage every aspect of your online store. Once you're there, head over to the Settings section, conveniently located at the bottom left of your screen. This area is where you find most of the configuration options for your Shopify store. Within the Settings menu, look for and select Apps and Sales Channels. This is the hub for all third-party applications and integrations you might need. In this section, you'll see a list of apps currently installed on your Shopify store. You're going to look for Google and YouTube. If the app is not installed yet, don't worry, it's a simple process. There should be an option labeled Install. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection during this process, as the installation might take a few moments. Once you initiate the installation, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. This step is essential because it allows the information between Shopify and Google Ads to sync correctly. Make sure that you're logging into the Google account that you use to manage your ads. If you don't have a Google account set up for your business yet, you may want to pause here and create one. Remember to keep your account credentials secure. When logging in, carefully follow each prompt and provide the necessary permissions. This connection will allow Google to gather the data it needs to effectively manage your ad campaigns and target the right audience. With the Google and YouTube app now installed and your account connected, you can begin crafting your Google ad campaigns directly within Shopify. This setup not only simplifies your marketing efforts, but also ensures that your product information is always up to date, as any changes you make to your product listings in Shopify can automatically sync with your Google Ads campaigns. If any issues arise during this process, double-check that you've correctly followed each step and that there are no connectivity problems on your end. Don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify support if you need additional assistance. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Google Ads with your Shopify store. This integration is a powerful tool that can elevate your e-commerce business by driving more traffic and increasing your sales. Take some time to explore the features of the Google and YouTube app and start strategizing your first ad campaign. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your advertising efforts.